Hey there, get ready to experience the thrill of the upgraded remote control car. A 2-in-1 anti-gravity RC racer that spins, drifts, and performs jaw-dropping 360-degree stunts with ease. This incredible stunt car is designed with cool LED lights and music, and features a robust structure with anti-slip tires and 4WD, making it perfect for conquering various terrains like wooden floors, sand, rocks, and grass. With a high speed of 12 miles per hour and versatile capabilities, this RC car can spin, twist, climb, and even perform anti-gravity drifting, offering endless fun for kids and adults alike. Equipped with two 7.4 volts, 1200 mAh rechargeable batteries, it provides up to 40 minutes of playtime and a 100-foot remote range, ensuring long-lasting entertainment both indoors and outdoors. The 2.4 GHz radio control frequency technology allows multiple players to drive their cars simultaneously without interference, and it even conserves power by going into sleep mode after 5 minutes of inactivity. This remote control car is the ultimate gift for birthdays or Christmas, perfect for boys aged 4 to 12 and even adults who love a challenge of hand and brain coordination. Dive into the world of RC cars and unleash your inner stunt driver with this amazing toy. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.